Okay, so today, DT3 study guide. Tomorrow's your test that is going to be covering place value, rounding, comparing numbers, estimated, and 1 and 2 step problems. So we're going to start with the first one. This is front and back. So here we go. The first question says the following. Choose a number in each box that makes the statement true. This kind of question is an equation editor. That means that you're choosing an answer for whatever equation they're giving you. This is an expression because it doesn't have right here the equal sign, but that, yeah, consider an equation. So, the number is 3,209. How many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? Remember that thousands turn into hundreds. Hundreds turn into? No. Hundreds turn into tens. Tens turn into ones. And then backwards. Ones turn into tens. Tens turn into hundreds. Hundreds turn into thousands. So we have to turn the thousands into hundreds here. So how many hundreds are in 3,200?
2.
How many hundreds in total? Look at the options. We have 31, 32, or 33.
32.
A, B, or C?
32.
32, yes. Because we're turning 3,000s into hundreds. Now, there's 10. Huh?
What? Yeah, it'd be 31. Yeah.
It'll be 31. Yep, you're right. You're right. And I'm going to tell you why 31. It'll be 31 because 31 hundreds, then they broke 100 into tens, and then they left the nines alone. 9 ones. 9 ones. That was my mistake. I apologize. So, they had 31 hundreds, right? Then that other 100, they broke it into 10 tens because 10 tens equals 100. They broke one of the hundreds that they turned into tens, and then they kept the ones alone. Thank you, Landon. Shout out to you for that. And Jacob. And Chris. And everybody. Shout out to everybody. Okay, here we go. So what is that called when you make something small? A careless mistake. When you make a small mistake, a careless mistake. That's why I always send you back and send you to check your work. Right? I tell you, do not submit unless you check your work. Here we go. Complete the equation to make it true. Fill in the bubble before the number that is correct. So this number plus this number should equal this number. Okay? Now, I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to use the inverse operation. What is the opposite of addition? Subtraction. So I'm going to take my total and I'm going to subtract it by the number they already give me, and it's going to give me the answer here. So 6,137 minus 2,461. 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 minus 6, yes or no? No. 1 minus 4, yes or no? No. I'm taking away from the 6,000. 6,000 is going to turn into 5. Then I'm taking that 1,000 that I took from here and taking it back to my emergency lane. So I'm going to go into the hundreds, but I'm not leaving it there forever. That's going to be a 10. And then I'm dropping it off in my tens. 13 minus 6 is? 7. What? 7. 10 minus 4 is? 6. And 5 minus 2 is? 3. What is my answer? A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? A. A, B, C, or D? A. All day. That's all you guys do all day. Jacob, Luke, and Julian. 6, 7 all day. Okay. Next one. Choose a number for each box to show 200, 3,719 in expanded form. You ready? 200, 3,000. They're looking for 3,000 here. So we got 200 already under the bell right here. It's already there for you. Plus 3,000 is 3,000 A, B, or C? B. 3,000. 719. So what am I choosing here? The 19, the 90, or the 10? 10. Because 10 plus 9 is what? 19. Okay. Here we go. Who feels good so far? I feel good. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Next one. Estimate the sum of 1,432 and 2,981 by rounding to the nearest hundred. We're rounding those numbers to the nearest hundred first. Are we touching the thousands? No. So one of the strategies that I taught you at the beginning was process of elimination. I'm going to eliminate whatever makes no sense. So if I'm rounding to the nearest hundred, how many zeros should I have? How many zeros does 100 have? 2. So I'm going to go through my answer choices and I'm going to eliminate what makes no sense. So look at A. A says 1,430 plus 2,900. Can that be an answer? Let's leave it because I hear some people saying yes. So we're going to leave it as an option. The next one, 1,400 plus 3,000 equals 4,400. We're going to leave it as an option as well. 1,440 plus 2,990. Remember, all we're looking for is for the numbers to be rounded to the nearest hundred. You have to have a double zero. So all you're looking for is the end of each number if it has double zero. Look at C. Is there a double zero there? No. Goodbye. What about D? Is there double zero? I see. That's double. That's triple. That's gone. Okay, now on my own, I'm going to round. So 1,432 rounded to the nearest hundred. I'm going to underline the hundreds place. I'm going to draw my arrow. 5 or more rounds up. Less than 5 stays. Thank you. The 1,000 is going to stay the same. What's going to happen to the 4? Is it going to round up or is it going to stay the same? Stay the same, and everything else becomes what? Zeros. And then 2,981. What's going to happen there? Because this might confuse you a little bit. Madison? I'm going to round it up or what? I'm going to round up. So if the 9 rounds up, it's going to go to 10. But can I have a double digit? No. So 2,981 is going to round to what? 3,000. My answer is B. Some people said A though, and I could see where you would have picked A because this has a double zero back here when I round it. But 2,981 does not round to 2,900. It rounds to 3,000. Remember, the halfway point is 950. We're at 980 already. So we got to go up. Okay? Here we go. Next one. Which of the following numbers is greater than 681,039? Which number is greater? That means which one is bigger? Bigger. A bigger number. Go through your answer choices for like 5 seconds. Look at your answer choices and circle an answer. Then we're going to take a vote. We're not calling out the answer. We're going to take a vote based on which one you think it is. Look at every place value because they try to trick you leaving the same place values. I'm checking. Let me get my money back.
Is this easy? Yes, easy.
ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Ready?
No.
Let's go through our options. The first one says 681,139. Yes or no?
Yes.
What place value tells you I am greater than what you give me? The hundreds place. So, okay, let's leave that. But I still need to go through everything else. Look at B. Yes or no? No. Because what we have right now has a 1 in the thousands place. This has a 0. C. Yes or no? 618 is less than 681. 186. Yes or no? No. Our answer is A. Very nice. And that's how you have to go through your answer choices tomorrow. Can someone tell me, when I do your study guide, why I put a line like that on the next question?
Because that's what right down. Because it means for a
Two-step problem. And you know, yesterday when I was doing this study guide, I said I wanted to write step 1 and step 2. But then I knew I wanted to ask that question. Why do I draw a line there? Because I want you to get into the habit of, when it's a 2-step problem, I'm going to draw my line to do step 1 first and then step 2. Right, Oliver Johnson? Right. Bless you, Mr. Julian.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go. It says the following. Table 3 is doing phenomenal. The girls over there. At a carnival, Olivia's family spent $86 in all. They spent $30 on snacks. The rest of the money was spent on tickets to enter the carnival. If there are 7 people in Olivia's family, how much did each ticket cost? That's a lot. So I'm going to read it again, and I'm going to start with my first step. At a carnival, Olivia's family spent $86. So I'm going to write that, $86. They spent $30 on snacks, and the rest of the money was spent on tickets. So the first thing I'm going to do is take how much they spent, and then take how much was just on snacks. And I'm going to subtract it because I want to know how much more they spent on everything else. 6 minus 0 is what? 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. So $56 was spent on something else. The rest of the money was spent on tickets to enter the carnival. If there are 7 people, what am I going to do with 56 and 7? Listen to the question. The rest of the money, which is the $56, was spent on 7 people. How much did the ticket for each person cost? What is it? It is division. 56 divided by 7. I'm going to skip count by what number? 7, 14, 21, 28. What else? 35, 42, 49, 56. My answer is the amount of jumps that I took. What is my answer? 8. So $8 per ticket. That's how much each ticket costs. I broke down first to figure out how much was spent. Then I divided that remaining by how many people went, and that told me how much each ticket for each person costs. Very nice. That's how you got to break. You have one question on your test of a 1-step problem and one question on your test of a 2-step problem. And then tomorrow on your paper to show your work, then you can do this, okay? Split your page or your box and then do that. Table 5, everybody gets an extra 50. Good job. Here we go. I'm checking. I'm looking, and I see table 1's doing great too. Table 2, I'm checking. I'm checking table 2 and table 3. I'm checking right now. Okay, next one. Here we go. Next question. Select all the ways to rename the number 65,704. Have you noticed that I'm giving you big numbers? And I'm giving you big numbers because Monday we didn't do so well with our lesson. So we practiced it on Tuesday. Tuesday we did much better, but guess what day we did much better than all those days? Today's, yeah. So select all. That means more than one. Select all the ways to rename the number 65,704. So right now I want you to go through those answer choices and choose all that apply to what they're speaking about there. Go ahead. I'm walking around and I'm checking your work with some money. I should have more than what? More than one answer. Okay. I'm coming. Okay. Here we go. There we go. I know. I see. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm just handing out my last bits of money. Let me see, Mr. Kyrie Davis. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm coming. 1 second, please. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Okay, select all the ways to rename the number. A says 60,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 4.
No.
There is no, how many hundreds are in this number? 7. That's not an answer. Goodbye. Next one. 65,704. Yes. Very nice. Next. 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 4. I'm coming. D says 6,500. 6,500? No. No, there's no 6,500. It's 65,000. 600,000 plus 5,000 plus 70 plus 4? No. 2 answers, B and C. Who got that right? Okay. Here we go. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question 2. Next question 3. Okay. We're great on time. Fill in the blank. Ooh. 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 What happened here? It says fill in the blank. 4,851 equals 3,000s plus how many hundreds plus 5 tens plus 1.
I know what it is.
Write it on your paper. Write it on your paper because I'm coming again. I'm coming as a second round. Write it on your paper.
This is so easy.
And I got these standards straight from the benchmark.
I'm just gonna. I want money. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I want money.
Yeah.
I want money.
No. Please don't call me. I'm coming. Nope.
I know it. Is it like this?
The answer was 18. Is there anybody that hello? Is there any person that can give me an explanation to why the answer was 18? Anybody that can give me an explanation? Aurelia.
I know.
Listen.
Because since they split it up into 3,000, there's 1,000 left, so we have to add it to the 800.
Yes, good job, bro. Yes, so there's 1,000 left that we have to break into hundreds. We already have 8 in the hundreds place. We gotta add 10 because remember, 10 hundreds equal 1,000. Okay? Okay. Next one. I want money too. I'm handing it out. There's so many questions left. I'm walking around. For some, I'm just glancing at you. But the ones that I know are can be hard. Those are the ones I'm awarding. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're on great timing right now. 18. Okay, next one. Which number becomes greater when you round it to the nearest 10 and the nearest 100? So this number has to round up. That's what they're saying. Which number rounds up?
I already have that done.
So the first one, rounded to the nearest 10 is 270. Rounded to the nearest 100 is 300. Is it rounding up for both or just for one? Just for one. Just to the nearest 100 it rounds up, so A is not an answer. 586. Rounded to the nearest 10 is what? 590. And rounded to the nearest 100 is 600. Can that be an answer? Yes. I'm going to leave that there pending. Next one. 736. Rounded to the nearest 10 is what? 740. And rounded to the nearest 100 is 700. Yes or no? No. Because to round to 740 it rounds up. But to round to 700 it rounds down. 808. Yes or no? 808 rounded to the nearest 10 is 810. Rounded to the nearest 100 is 800. To round to the 100 it rounds down. So my answer is B. You see how I show my work? I'm showing my work because then when I go back and check my answers, I know that I showed my work for that one and I know I'm confident in my answer. Okay? Next one. This is the one-step problem. It says, Stella was practicing to run a full marathon. She ran 12 days in a row for 6 miles each day. How many miles does she run altogether? Altogether is a word that I can use for 2 operations. I'm trying to figure out how much she ran in total. So which operation, I need to know which operation is going to give me a total. Who thinks A?
No.
Thank God. Who thinks B?
No.
Thank the Lord. Who thinks C?
Yes.
Who thinks D? The answer is C.
Yes.
I need to know that I have 12 days and 6 miles per day, and that's going to give me my total amount of miles that I ran for the whole time. Beautiful, Oliver Johnson. Good job. It doesn't ask us for the answer. What is this called is this an expression or an equation?
Equation.
Why? Because it has a what?
Question mark.
No. Equal sign. Equal sign. When it has an equal sign is an equation. When it has nothing is an expression. Okay, 3 questions to go, but this one, look. Here we go. Let's do the work. Let's do the work. I'm going to do the work on a separate sheet of paper. If you would like a separate sheet of paper, Grayson will hand it out. If you don't want it, that's fine. Just write it on your paper. But I'm going to show my work for every single one to make sure my answers are all correct. Okay. You ready? Okay. I'm going to do 1. I'm leaving space. So I'm going to do 1. I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do 3 on the front. And then on the back, I'm going to do 4, 5, and 6. Okay? They want us to draw a line. Hey. They want us to draw a line from the expression to the correct answer. So here we go. Number 1, 4,582 plus 2,997. Help. I need help. I don't know what's going on. I need help. Where am I starting? The ones, thank you. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. I dropped the number in the ones place and I regrouped the tens. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 5 more is 15. Drop the 5, regroup the 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7,579. Help. Does it go across? It goes right here, like this. Number 2. I want you to keep this in mind. When I regroup something, I just say 1, but you should know the value that it is. So, for example, here, this would be a 10 that I'm regrouping. I'm regrouping it in the hundreds, okay? So just keep that in mind. Number 2, 9,204 minus 5,689. Yes or no? No. Yes or no? Yes or no? I'm taking from the thousands. The 9 is going to turn into an 8. That 1,000 that I took, I'm taking it back to the emergency lane, which is the ones. They need it ASAP. Drop it in the hundreds, but I'm taking it right back. The 12 is going to turn into an 11. Drop it in the tens, but I'm taking it back. I'm leaving a 9. Drop it in the emergency lane. 14 minus 9 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 11 minus 6 is 5. And 8 minus 5 is 3. How do I know where my comma goes? 1, 2, 3, comma. Right. 3,515. Right across. Right across. Number 3. 6,750. Oh my God. Plus 820. You need to make sure that you're lining it up in the hundreds. 820. Okay? 0 plus 0. 5 plus 2. 7 plus 8. 15. Drop the 5, which is in the ones place. Regroup that 10. Then that's 7. 7,570 across. Yup. I'm just double checking all my answers are right. And I made these up and I make sure that they're not all in order. LOL. Okay. My next number 4. You see how I'm showing my work for everything? That's what I want to see. 7,300 minus 2,468. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Taking it from the thousands. The 7 is going to turn into a? I'm going to take it to the Sorry, the hundreds, but I'm not leaving it there. I'm taking it back. That's going to be a 12. Leaving it in the tens, but I'm taking it back. That's going to stay as a 9. Leaving it in my emergency lane. What's 10 minus 8? 2. What's 9 minus 6? 12 minus 4? 6 minus 2? 4,832. Right across. Huh? Let me tell you something. The reason why I did this is because I want you to show your work. Even though the answer is right across, I still want you to show your work. Because tomorrow, when you take your test, you're going to get things like this, and I don't want you to think it's straight across. I want you to think that they're mixed up. Well, they are going to be mixed up, but I want you to think it's straight across. That means I'm going to show my work to see if I got my answer right. Okay. 3,999 plus 2,001. Here we go. 9 plus 1, 10. Drop the 0, regroup the 10. 9 plus 1 again, 10. 9 plus 1 again, 3 plus 3, 6,000. Okay. Last one. 8,610 minus 7,955. But you wouldn't have thought it was a cross. You would have thought they were all mixed up. And guess what? We did all the work. Why? Because that's how you're going to show your work tomorrow.
You were tricking us.
Right. Keep playing with me. Okay. Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No. Yes.
Take it from here. That's going to turn into a 7,000. Take that 1,000. Keep it up. Decomposing. 15, 11, no. 10. 10 minus 5 is? 10 minus 5 is? 15 minus 9 is? 655. Beautiful. Thank you to amazing Table 1. Ariana, Isabel, and Christopher. You're doing phenomenal.
I'm in table 1.
Okay.
I'm in table 1.
I'm talking about Table 1, the people who are sitting there now. Okay. We got 2 questions. We're good with this, right?
Yes.
I gave you, let's show our work. I gave you, let's finish study guide. We got 2 questions left. Here we go. The number plotted on the number line. This is a question that a lot of people get wrong because they don't look at the hundreds. Look, which number is plotted? That means which number goes right here where this, this point is. That point is in the middle of 2,400 and 2,500, but it's closer to what? Is it over 2,500? No. So I'm gonna eliminate all the answers that are not over. So which answer is over 2,500? D. It's gone. Which answer is closer to 2,400? A. Now I have a what? 50% chance of getting my answer right. Okay. 2,450. 50 is my midpoint. Where that dot is that the midpoint?
No.
That's not the midpoint. The midpoint is right there. My answer is C. This is B right here. This is C. Buenos, good. Buenos dias. No, it's not buenos dias. It's buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Estoy en clase de matemáticas. Say it. Buenas tardes. Estoy en clase de matemáticas. Right. That means I'm in math class. Okay, one more question. Ready? What is 5,686 rounded to the nearest thousand? Hold on. Wait. I look like the Statue of Liberty. Let me tell you something. How? No shopping for some people. Right? Okay. You might think it's C, but the first thing I'm going to do is eliminate what makes no sense. When we're rounded to the nearest 1,000, how many zeros? Triple zeros. What can we eliminate? Ariana, what can we eliminate? I said Ariana. I did. Thank you, Mr. Julian, for apologizing. Go ahead, Ariana. B, because there's no triple zero. What else? Madison? D. Now what? 50% chance to get my answer right. Is it A? It's C. And the reason why it's, I'm not talking over you. The reason why it's C is because, I'm going to tell you myself, because A, 5,000 is way too far. My halfway point or my midway point is 5,500. The number that they gave us is 5,600. 5,600 is going to round up. 5 or more round up. Okay, very good. Good job. Good job. Where's this going to go in your what?
Binder.
And your, no, not binder. If you got to study it today for your test, it's going to go in your? I'm calling you by table. Say bye.
Bye.